Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gmass to schedule mass email campaigns. So let's see how. Before we can explore the campaigns, we will just explore these tabs. So first of all, here you can see the features that's provided by Gmass. Here you can see the products as well. Here you can see the uses. It's mostly used for cold email outreach, which is the first one which is written, because it allows you to send campaigns to dozens of people simply and easily. Here you can take a tour, here you can access the blog, and here you can see the pricing, for example. So you have 3 plans here, and each one has its features written, so you can explore them all and you can choose the most suitable plan for you. You can also here access frequently asked questions so that you will better understand if you faced any problem or any issues so that it can help you to fix it. And finally, here you can press on this so that you will be redirected to the extension, the Google Chrome extension that will help you to use Gmass. So let's press on it and see what will happen. Now let's add to Chrome from here, add extension, and now let's go back to our email. So here is my email. I will just switch this one with another email. And here we are. So basically you will find some changes in your email. So if I clicked on Compose here, you will find that you have this tab, which is an extra tab. So let's go and explore what is inside. Here you can see many fields. So basically here you have the spam solver. This tab shows you how many of the mails of your campaign has landed in the spam folder of the people who you sent the mail to. And here you can also check your link. Here is Email Analyzer. You can check both of them, but I will just skip both of them because they are irrelevant to our tutorial today. Here you can set a test email so that you can send test email and see how your campaign looks like. Here you can use one of these codes, for example, first name, like this, and paste it here so that this email will contain the first name of the recipient, whoever he is. So basically, if you send this campaign to 100 person, every person will receive this mail with his first name inside. Now let's move on to this section, which is unsubscribe link. You can click on it and you will find that a text has been automatically written, which is you may unsubscribe to stop receiving our email. Now let's just delete all this. Next, you can find the tracking, which allows you to track opens and clicks. So basically, if I sent 100 email in my campaign and only 50 users opened it and 25 users clicked on a link inside, you can find both of these parameters by enabling these checkboxes. Next, action. You can send emails or create drafts from here. Next, auto follow up. This is basically like automation. So if you want to follow up with your recipients, you can do it from here. So let's say you send an email to 100 people and some of them didn't open the email. So you can check on this. If no reply after 2 days of sending the email, he will send this automatic message to him, just making sure you saw this. You can also change the no reply into no open, no click, no reply or click, or everyone. You can also change how many days. You can make it 1 day, for example, and you can change this text as well. So once you are done, you can also add another stage. So if after this stage you didn't receive a reply as well, you can add another automatic message after 5 days, for example, and you can control this number of days. And this message will be, I have reached out a couple times, but I haven't heard back. I would appreciate a response to my mail below. So you can do the same to stage 3. After 8 days, it will send him this message. So you can add as many stages as you want until the recipient open the email. Now we have Schedule tab, which contains many options so that if you don't want to start your own campaign right now, you can use one of these options. For example, tomorrow at 8 a.m. You can also skip weekends, and you can, let's for example, say in 3 hours. And here in speed, you can choose how many emails maximum that can be sent in a single day. Let's say, for example, 100 email. You can also activate a pause between each mail and the other. So we can choose to wait for 10 seconds between each mail and the other. And you can repeat this whole process after a specific number of days. Here you have advanced settings. However, we are not gonna enter these details because this is a beginner tutorial. So this is basically how this is different. Now let's explore this button. So if I want to send an email, for example, and I clicked on this instead, it will ask me to sign up with Google. So I will go and sign up now, and I will come back for you in seconds. Now, after signing up, I will just click on this, and here I can use GMass. So as you can see, it can automate some automatic messages for me like this. So basically, if I send this message, for example, as I said before, the first name of the recipient, whoever he is in the campaign, will appear. So the 100 recipients will receive this mail with their names respectively. So you can send an ordinary mail with Gmail, or you can use GMass to send this mail. Now let's explore these 3 options upward. This option means that you are gonna use an email list from Google Sheets. So you can import your contact list or your email list from Google Sheets so that you can start your own campaign. And this option will allow you to send a follow-up campaign based on opens and clicks. So this is tracked easily by GMass, so it can create a follow-up based on these results. Finally, this option represents the dashboard for your own campaigns. So if you send many campaigns, you can access the dashboard and the insights from here. So this is basically how you can integrate all these campaigns using your GMass. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.